First go to the file and select new. Select the custom document, press create. Then open the file and choose place. Select this image, click place. Now right click and choose rotate 90 degrees clockwise, adjust position, click enter. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, hide the bottom layer, select the top layer, open channels panel, copy the blue channel, then go to the image, adjustments and choose levels. Here adjust the input level points like this. Click OK. Now click this option to select the layer, go to the layers panel, hold the Alt button and click add layer mask option below. Now take the text tool and type the text like this. Press Ctrl T for transform option, then adjust the text size and position like this. Click enter. Now move this text layer below these two layers, expose the main layer, hide top layer. Now right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Expose the top layer, select mask thumbnail, take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black. Let's paint the layer in this manner. Let's see the final result.